Well, this video is long overdue. This thing has hauled way too much concrete, and for all those people who say you should have got the E130 or the X1 whatever, 17.5 horsepower is just fine for mowing the lawn, and it bent the wheels on the cart that we bought that had a 400-pound restriction for towing on it for weight, and this thing hauled it around just fine until the cart broke. We filled it full of concrete mix type of material and rock and stuff to add on to the barn with. So she is filthy, and for not even a year-old brand new machine, this thing needs a bath. So today we're kind of doing a couple of different things. This is all concrete and mud on here, by the way. So I'm gonna try out the new pressure washer. Look at all that stuff, that's not coming off too easy. So I'm gonna try out the new pressure washer, and then we're gonna go for an oil change on this thing. It's at 8 hours. They recommend 5 hours, but just didn't have time. So this is the Simoniz electric 2000 PSI pressure washer. Got it on sale at Canadian Tire months and months and months ago, but just haven't had time to try it out yet. So I've got this thing filled up full of car wash soap. I didn't even know that it came with that attachment, so that should help us out today pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this thing actually. Nice and quiet, and turns off as soon as you're done. It's pretty good. And I was worried about it taking the paint right off, but it's not doing any of that. I brushed up on one of the stickers underneath the seat, but it wasn't like a very noticeable or important one, so that's good. Well guys, that'll do it for this one, and stay tuned for the next video. We're going to do an oil change on it and upgrade it, and it's going to be a secret hacked upgrade that nobody knows about, so stay tuned for that.